It doesn't have a strong smell. You can't always see it in the air. But once it enters your body, the damage can be permanent. Every time metal is welded, cut, ground, or coated, a hidden hazard may be released hexavalent chromium, and without proper awareness, exposure can quietly lead to serious illness, long-term lung damage, or cancer. That's why understanding hexavalent chromium isn't optional, it's critical. Welcome to the Hexavalent Chromium online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses. This course is designed to help workers recognize where hexavalent chromium comes from, how exposure occurs, and why protective measures are essential in industrial and construction environments. In just 18 minutes, this training delivers focused awareness to help protect workers, families, and workplaces from a known carcinogen. Inside this course, you'll learn what hexavalent chromium is and why it's created during high-temperature industrial processes such as welding, cutting, grinding, painting, and chroming operations. You'll gain insight into how exposure occurs through inhalation, skin contact, and even contamination carried home on clothing, and why workers may not realize they're being exposed until health effects appear. The course explains the serious health risks linked to hexavalent chromium, including damage to the eyes, skin, respiratory system, and lungs, as well as its connection to lung cancer. You'll also learn why ventilation, work practices, hygiene, and personal protective equipment play a vital role in reducing exposure, and why relying on luck is never enough. Most importantly, the training reinforces awareness of shared responsibility from employers providing controls and training to workers following safe practices every day. Hexavalent chromium exposure doesn't cause instant pain, but the consequences can last a lifetime. This course helps you recognize tasks that generate hexavalent chromium, understand how exposure happens, reduce inhalation and skin contact risks, protect long-term health and lung function, support OSHA-aligned hazard awareness practices. Knowledge is the first line of defense. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, showing your understanding of hexavalent chromium awareness and workplace health protection. Learn how hexavalent chromium exposure occurs, recognize high-risk tasks, and protect worker health with fast, effective OSHA-aligned hexavalent chromium awareness training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.